Hey YouTube, it's your girl I am Nubian with I am Nubian Customs. And I just got done doing my nighttime routine. I just uploaded my beginner friendly lace closure for this install. I didn't fire anything. I'm debating if I want to do a flex right nighttime routine for this or not. But however, the lashes that I installed in that video was done on a Thursday, Friday. Yeah, I started on a Thursday, ended on a Friday, I want to say, I believe. And so these lashes have been on since that Friday. And the only thing that lifted up was the little bit that I had tacked down on this one, but for the most part, it's still on there. But you can see in the beginning where it's lifted up a little bit. And today is Thursday, the 30th. It's about to be the 31st because it's almost like 12 o'clock though. And then this one is just all the way on there. Didn't do any lifting at all. And these lashes have been on for a whole week. Installed by myself and with 30-second bond hair glue. So if you ladies want to get your lashes done, you want something that's going to last, and you don't trust the nail shop because you think they're going to put hair glue in your lashes and everything, come get with me, you know what I'm saying? That lasts about a week or longer depending on how you take care of your lashes. And when you go to sleep, just make sure that you're propped up like this so you're not smashing one, because on the tips they will get smashed if you sleep wrong on your face. And when you go to sleep at night, you just take the towel on the index finger and you wipe up under here, and you close and you wipe up top. And you just make sure you get in here really good, and then just wash the rest of your face as regular. I do facial mask and everything with my lashes on. So if you guys want nighttime routines on that, I can upload that as well. And also, as far as this install goes, nothing has really lifted up. It's still really good. The most I have to do is in the morning. I might have to take my rat tail comb and go a little up under there and press, but for the most part, it's good. And I tacked like one track back here, and that's because it got caught one day when I was combing the knot on my hair. But other than that, all the rest of my tracks are good. Excuse my edges, I just got out the bathtub. But yeah, everything still seamless. Like I said, don't come for my edges, y'all. They're a little nap, okay? I'm just trying to show y'all that my tracks are in there really good and staggered how they're supposed to be, seamless. And like I said, I didn't flat iron my hair. I do have my flat iron on right now though, so I might come back in the middle of the night because I've been asleep all day and do a flex rise tutorial. So if y'all see me again tonight with this robe on, y'all know what happened. So get with your girl, like, share, comment, subscribe. If you're in the Lansing, Michigan area, come get your lashes done. Also, I do brows, I do shadows, and also many more things. So get with me, tap in, stay hip, have a blessed night. Ciao.